Hello everyone, my name is Paulina Białek. I'm the CEO and co-founder of FrostyWhale. Fans strive for recognition from their favorite influencers and community, and they tend to achieve it through exclusive ownership of unique assets. Do you know what it is? This is Justin Bieber hair that was sold for over $40,000. However, the problem is that the current influencer platforms focus influencers on asking for donations and selling access to the content instead of ownership. There are hundreds of such platforms, Patreon, Gang, Coffee, just to name a few of them. All of them have very similar value proposition, and actually, most importantly, on all of them, 99% of influencers earn less than $50 per month. FrostyWhale is the first influencer platform that actually enables fans to buy and own original digital assets and receive recognition from both their favorite influencers and other fans. Our platform is up and running, so I encourage you to check FrostyWhale.com, our past auctions, our current auctions, and the influencers we collaborate with. We are much more than a marketplace. We empower influencers with AI business support services to help them maximize income. These services include segmentation of the fan base. We help influencers to focus on the most loyal customers. Then we create personalized and individualized sales and marketing strategies for each influencer separately. Thirdly, we gather lots of data and we analyze it to constantly improve our platform, as well as strategies, recommendation, segmentation services. Pay to own is a relatively new concept, but we believe that similarly to pay to view concept, the first few players will capture the market, becoming unicorns. So we are very excited to be in this premier position. For the last few months, we've been collaborating with some top Thai influencers, creating the sales playbook. We are able to increase their income up to 20 times in comparison to other online platforms. Our business model is simple. We take 20% transaction fee, and we target 1 million selling influencers in 5 years. This will bring us 6 billion annual GMV, and then letting us earn over $1 billion in revenue. This is our co-founding team. I'm the CEO. I have two co-founders, Tom and Douglas. Both of them are serial entrepreneurs, having built hundreds of millions of dollars worth businesses. Most importantly, also in the creators economy. So that's why we are perfectly positioned to make FrostyWhale a unicorn. Right now, we are raising $1 million for further platform development and Southeast Asia expansion. We are very happy to meet investors who are experienced or interested in the creators economy. Thank you very much, and I'm very happy to answer all your questions.
So this is basically an influencer incubator plus NFT marketplace, digital ownership. Is that right?
What do you mean by incubator?
Because you mentioned that you help all these influencers sort of identify their segmentations, right? And then also help them with sales, with marketing, with all these different stuff. Is that the main focus or main value proposition that you're providing?
Yeah, exactly. So you understood it correctly, although we don't do it manually, but our platform does it.
Right.
So we analyze data that we have on our platforms, all previous transactions. Also, we analyze the fan base of each influencer separately. What kind of customers they have, what kind of content they would like to buy on our platform, etc. So this is how we do it, like automatically.
Right, and that's you mentioned AI or like before there. So is this using AI or something? Can you talk to more on this?
Exactly. So I mentioned AI. We do not use AI in that much yet. But this is our goal that we will implement more artificial intelligence. For example, for chats. So on our platform, influencers can chat with their fans, and this is how they also do upselling of their products. We are planning to use AI-driven avatars of influencers who will be doing this upselling instead of influencers or together with the influencers.
Right. How many influencers have you already worked with, and how much the sales have you helped them achieve, and also how many participate? Well, what is the traction in general?
Yeah, sure. So for the last few months, our goal was to collaborate very closely with a group of Thai influencers to help them to create a sales playbook and help them maximize income. So we have been collaborating with a group of 20 influencers, and they have increased their income from $50 even up to $1,000 with our platform per month. And we kept doing this for a few months. So it was not like one time, but we did it for a few months in a row. And right now we prepared the platform for scaling, and we are very confident with onboarding the rest of the influencers from our pipeline. So we have 1,000 influencers in our pipeline that we've been in touch with, and we are going to onboard them in the coming months.
Sorry, is your platform only for NFTs or it can be any merchandise?
Okay, so right now it's just for the NFT. We only sell digital assets, so we don't do physical merch. Although in the future we want to expand it to the Metaverse, so influencers will be also selling other digital assets. We started with the NFTs, but we believe that in the future influencers will be selling, for example, t-shirts like they are doing in the physical world right now, but in the Metaverse. Yeah.
So if it's just NFT, what sets you apart from popular platform like OpenSea, where we know that if they have really good real following, they are able to really sell out a lot?
No, actually they are not. So if any influencer wants to sell on OpenSea, good luck. But we tried it many times. They are not able to sell anything without us, because we do all sales marketing services for them, like oral communication, the proper communication. Influencers are not entrepreneurs, the vast majority of them, and there is also a reason why they earn $50 on Patreon. So we believe that the main value proposition comes from business support services and helping them sell successfully. So this is what we focus on. And also our influencers, they try to sell on OpenSea unsuccessfully, sold zero.
It seems currently quite a intensive, very hands-on business model. Like you're doing a lot of services. How are you over time going to accelerate growth?
So we are going to automate all those business support services, which is now possible with artificial intelligence and all those technologies that already exist, and we are planning to implement on our platform.
How big is your team currently, and in which markets are you in?
So our team has 10 people, and we are present in Singapore, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, Thailand. We cover 5 markets, and this is mainly business development team. For each country, we have a separate person that's collaborating with the influencers.
Time's up.